Morning! I hope you are having a wonderful day. I hope you're having a wonderful start. May your morning be brighter than this morning overcast sky. I am going on a morning walk with this one here, and I will share with you a bit of my day and what I get up to today. Food is always a great idea. But let's see what I get up today differently. Me and my big boys walking back to the house. Walking back to the house. He looks a little bit tired, or he is tired. Ah. Oy, 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 oy. So we're heading back to the house, and I'm gonna make some drink, do my journaling, and get started with the day. We are walking through a tianguis that is just setting up. This is a food section. Not all the vendors are here. This is a clothes section, or I don't know what to call it, miscellaneous section. I am back home. I'm just having water, I'm not making any juice. Not at this moment, at least. I should have made my juice earlier, but it's okay. I'm gonna do my morning journal.
Husband is gonna make breakfast. Ooh, it's golden rice. Golden rice, golden fried rice.
Can you mix this one?
No, I don't want to put my hands in it.
Don't put your fingers
Oh.
inside.
Can I get the spoon? Thank you. Oh. Ah. How does you making breakfast involves me?
The chef.
No, you are the chef. Oh. Go all the way down with the knife. So it goes through, yes. If you don't go down with the knife, you get this.
This is spinach.
See, but a different type of spinach, not the one.
Shall we put some?
If you want to, yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm just your sous chef in the kitchen. Whatever you want to do, it's your call, chef.
Is it washed or I need to wash it?
You need to wash it, yeah. Smells good.
You want to do it now?
No, you need to
Cut it?
let it drain because it's watery. You're gonna have soggy rice.
The chocolate rice cake.
Here it is.
Now let's try this.
In the middle, yeah.
This is chocolate white cake.
To add,
No, to add
Javier.
no, to fry it and then after. You know what I mean?
But in a different pot, no?
Yes.
This smells good though. Did you add salt to this?
Not yet. Like that.
Whatever you want, so you need to. I think we're finished here. But if you wanted to go crispier, that's fine as well.
No, it's okay.
Is there anything you need me to do, chef? What is this you're making here?
Actually,
Ah, okay. Chocolate up to lid.
yes.
Oh. No, it's clean.
Do we have cinnamon?
Yes. Which Esposo número 1, preparar desayuno. Atol de chocolate y golden fried rice with spinach and ginger cinnamon tea. We're gonna have this with lunch, dinner. Ginger cinnamon. The time is so cold and I'm sniffling. So this is the perfect remedy for this time. Now that this tea, ginger and cinnamon tea is finished, I'm gonna. Food is always a good idea, even if it's pizza and ginger tea. Regardless. Rachel.
It's a mess. I'm gonna put a piece of you on yours, okay? Because it was too big.
So we just finished having dinner. I'm still sipping on my tea. We were listening to a last harmonica, but we don't want to get carried away. We're gonna take the dogs out and be back, and that's it. And that will be it for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. What you put in your hand in the video?
I want to finish.